So let's talk about Bitcoin. Now, some people might be like, so why should I be talking about Bitcoin when I don't invest in it? This is because Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency. Every other cryptocurrency apart from Bitcoin is an alternative coin. That's why they are called altcoins. And by them being altcoins, they are also alternative investments. Which means if the market is crashing, the coins that will feel the crash the most are the altcoins, starting from those that are lowest in market cap. How does this happen, you might ask? All cryptocurrency investors, like major investors, whom we call whales, have a higher part of their cryptocurrency portfolios in Bitcoin. So someone might be like, so what are whales? Do fish invest in crypto? No. And whales are not fish, by the way, they are animals. Anyone that owns more than 5,000 BTCs, remember BTC is the coins for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the network. BTC is not short form for Bitcoin. It is the coin of Bitcoin. So anyone that owns more than 5,000 of these coins is called a whale. And anyone that owns less than one Bitcoin is called a shrimp. And so these whales consider any other investment apart from Bitcoin in cryptocurrency as an alternative investment. If the cryptocurrency market is booming, which we call a pump, the alternative coins will pump more. Now you might be like, so how does that happen? And this is what we call Bitcoin dominance. If the Bitcoin dominance is low, it means investors are taking their profits from Bitcoin and investing more in altcoins to make more profit. But if the Bitcoin dominance is high, it means they are taking their profits from altcoins and investing more in Bitcoin. The entire crypto market revolves around Bitcoin. And I personally believe there will be this day where this sire bond between Bitcoin and altcoins will be broken by a witch, of course. When whales make profits in Bitcoin, they feel safe enough to allocate some part of their profits in alternative coins. Now, this means alternative coins or alternative investments drop the most when the market is crashing. It also depends on a number of factors, but like community and use case. Take Cardano, for example. It has a very powerful community behind it. If you look at the recent crash that we just had, Cardano actually performed better than many other altcoins. I expected Cardano to come down to about 80 cents, but it did not. It stayed above $1.20. People are in love with that crypto. If I said something wrong about Cardano, this video will be reported.